Good afternoon, everyone. My topic for today is all about cleaning a room and ani making a bed. So, cleaning a room. So, introduction. So, prior to reporting on a floor, the room attendant is allotted a list of rooms with the status of each given by the front office receptionist. So, sorry for the this kind of that because di ko ka-edit kaya na-expire akong Microsoft. So this is given to her at the time of briefing by the floor supervisor. So the floor supervisor controls the output with the daily work report as given in figure 15. So this is the figure. So this is the daily work report. So without this, jud pwede nga this is the important paper because this your silbi ipakita sa after nimo after before work. So the name, no, name supervisor, room number. So this is very important. Next is procedure for a checking a room. So entering the room, knock on the door with the knuckles and not with an object, announcing housekeeping. So second, if there is no answer after 10 seconds, knock the door the second time, announcing housekeeping. Third, if there is still no answer, use the master key to open the door, announcing housekeeping, and knocking the door when ajar. So if someone is sleeping quietly, withdraw, noting the room as D&D on the checklist. If the guest is awake politely, ask if she can clean the room or come later. So when relatively sure that there is no occupant, open the door wide and hang the door sign, housekeeping cleaning room, on the door knob or handle. So fourth, position the mid-skirt along the wall corridor wall adjacent to the room being serviced to keep the passage free. So fifth, switch off the room air conditioner or heating. Draw all curtains and open all windows to air the room. So six, switch all the lights in the room to ascertain if any bulbs are fused. So, um, so before the entering the room, no, so also very important because we need to check um, need to check the things or the customer. So next, guest belonging check. 7, check departure rooms for guest lost and found items and report them immediately to the control desk. So 8, pick guest clothes and hang them in the wardrobe in occupied rooms. So 9, empty all ashtrays into a waste paper basket in the room. So collect other loose trash on tables and floors and throw them in the waste paper basket, checking for guest belongings. So 10, check waste paper baskets for guest belongings before emptying them into the trash bag of the maid's cart. So 11, so collect all loose paper and magazines and stack them neatly on the desk. So 12, contact the laundry for pickup in case laundry bags with keys are notice. So maintenance check, the room attendant has to check the room for maintenance requirement and report the same to the control desk. He will enter such maintenance requirements in the room checklist. The checks include the maintenance check. So this is the list of maintenance check. So before and after entering, so we need to check maintenance check. So something that's very important. So making the bed. So I will read the making the bed, and the rest is the step. These steps are very long, so I'll show you a video clip. So making the bed making requires technical expertise in a hotel because of the sheer volume of beds to be made in a given shift. If a room attendant has to be prepared 16 or 20 rooms as per the prevalent standards in a shift, he has potentially 32 to 40 beds to make. So this is in addition to cleaning the rooms and bathrooms. So it is here that his productivity is determined. So given below are the detailed steps for making a bed. So as I said, for these steps, instead of the instead of reading, I show you a video clip for uh, I think a picture is really hard to understand. I so I show you a video clip.
Here are the materials needed in this demonstration. Pillow, duvet jacket, first bed sheet, bed pad, duvet filler. First is lay down the bed pad on the bed. Secure always at the center, and make sure to bend your knees, not your back, to avoid back pain. Lay down the first sheet and secure at the center. Tuck in neatly and miter all corners. Next is lay down the duvet jacket and secure at the center. Lay down the duvet jacket and roll it and roll, roll, and roll. Then, reverse the roll until the end of each corners. Next is roll it away with 6 inches away from the headboard. There is an option that you are going to cover the pillow neatly. Thank you for watching!
So,
Okay.
So,
Dito na lang po.
that's
Okay, again,
all.
good afternoon, grade 12 A and P. Ngayon naman po ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano po mag-makeup ng